Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how you can comment photo on a TikTok video just like this, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So the first step for you to be able to comment a photo on TikTok is to open your TikTok app. And once you're on TikTok, next, you will need to sign out your TikTok account. So to do that, go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, now tap this. Then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down until you find the Logout option. Once you've found it, you can now go and tap it. And then tap this to completely log out your account. You can select whatever you want between these two. After that, your account will now be logged out. And now that we're done logging out our TikTok account, we will now proceed to the next step. So for the next step, we will need to download a certain app. So to download it, go to Play Store. And once you're on Play Store, now search for this. And after searching, you will be able to see this app. Go and tap it. And you can now download or install it. And now that the app has been downloaded, you can now open it. Now that we're on the app, all we need to do is simple, we just need to tap connect so we can connect to the VPN. After tapping it, just wait until you are connected to the VPN, you will know that you are already connected if this turns to disconnect. And there you go, we are now connected guys. So now that we're connected to the VPN, we will now proceed to the third step. So for our third step, we will need to create a new Google account while we are connected to the VPN. If you are wondering why do we need to use Colombia VPN, it is because commenting a photo feature is only available on some countries like Colombia, so we are using VPN to trick TikTok that we are from Colombia so we will be able to use the feature. So now in order to create a new Google account, go and open your Google Chrome. Once you're on Google Chrome, tap your profile. Then tap the account. After that, we will need to sign out our existing Google account, so go and tap this. Now tap continue to completely log out your account. And now we successfully logged out our account. Now go back to your Google Home tab. Now that we're finished logging out our account, we will now start creating a new account. To do that, go and tap this. Then tap this. And then go to Add Account to Device. And right here, just tap Create Account. And right after that, you will just need to fill up your new account information such as your email address and password. I think everyone already knows how to do it so there's no need to show it. After you're done signing up your new account, you can now tap Next. And for the last step on creating your Google account, tap this. And after that, it's done. You have now completed the third step. Now that we're done for the third step, we will now proceed to the fourth step. So for the fourth step, we will need to create a new TikTok account. So to do that, just go and search for TikTok.com. Now that you're on TikTok website, next tap Profile. And then log in. Next, go and tap Continue with Google. Right here, you must select the new Google account that you created earlier for your new TikTok account. And you can now set up your new TikTok account. Right here, just set your birthday. After you set your birthday, tap Next. And here, just enter the username that you want for your new TikTok account. After you enter, you can now tap Sign Up. Once you see Login Success, that means you have now successfully created your new TikTok account. So now that you've finished creating your new TikTok account, you can now go back to your TikTok app. Once you've opened your TikTok app, go to Profile. And then just log in the new TikTok account that you created earlier.
Invincible.
And after you've logged in, restart your TikTok. Then go to the comments of any video. And right here, you will now be able to see the comment a photo icon. Go and tap it. And you can now select the photo that you want to comment. You can also add a message if you want. And to completely comment the photo, you can now tap Send. Then wait for your photo to be uploaded. And there you go, we've successfully commented the photo. And so that's how you comment a photo on a TikTok video, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.